What up guys, my name is Jonas Preisler, aka the Digital Spartan, and I'm the creator of botpanels.com, and here I will show you a very quick guide on how to use your if you have event clients, like someone who manages events or someone who hosting a big event, they can use this custom client dashboard if you don't want to let them gain access to the Chatfuel or ManyChat backend or whatever you're using, and you still want them to have some control of what is being shown in the bot, such as times, dates, speakers, images, and so on. Okay, let me just show you how it works. So first, of course, you're going to sign up. I made this as a Norwegian demo, so some of it might still be Norwegian here. Let me just create a chatbot conference here. Just a random street name, a random address. I'm just trying to do this fast, just to not waste use too much of your time. So my microphone is falling down, that's why I'm trying to make my microphone work with me. Okay, so link to ticket sales is optional. I'm just gonna put the Google link in here. Event image, let me just take a sample image here. Map of event, I don't really have a map image here. Let me just select this one. Now we create the event. Now we are redirected to a page where we can add the dates. Let's just say it starts 16th of October. That's day 1 of the conference. Day 2 is the 17th of October. Okay, 2 days. Now we want to add the first program, aka the first speech, or whatever you want to call it. Sometimes the pop-up, there's supposed to be a pop-up right here when you click here and there. Sometimes it doesn't work, so I just click here instead. Let's say it starts 12 and it lasts for 2 hours until 2 p.m. The program title: Learn how to build chatbots. Alright, location. This is if you have, for example, a very big building you're hosting this event in. This, for example, a conference can have one hall, like the 3 different rooms, right? It could be room 1, room 2, or whatever. It could also be different scenes if you, for example, have a let's say a festival. So let's just call this, let's just say room 2, okay? And here, yeah, I forgot to write what it is right here, but this is where, when you are viewing this in Messenger, you will be you will see this program as a gallery. So here you can select where in the gallery it should be displayed. All right. So but if you select, for example, number 7, and you only have one program, it will of course go to number 1. Okay, so let's just select number 1. It makes the most sense. So, and it says in Norwegian, add a new speaker. So we are gonna add a new speaker here. Of course, I will add myself. About the speaker, again, select the place in the row here. I'm gonna select num for 1 for speakers. Speaker image. Boom, my own image. Create the program. Great. Here we have the program. I mean the chatbot conference event. We can click here and we can see the first program here. I'm not sure why the image isn't displaying. Maybe I forgot to select the image. Okay, you can see there is still some buggy stuff here. Let's try to add another program to day 1. Yeah, I forgot to add an image here. This one will be from 2 to 3. Learn the secrets behind selling chatbots. I'm just gonna make it very quick here. The description, room 3, of course, is number 2 here. Create program. Display the programs here, and there you see it. Okay, and you can go in. Okay, still not really working there. I'm gonna fix that really soon. And here you can add program to day 2 as well. You can add another day if you like. Here we go. Must be the 18th. Great. We can navigate back to events. You can create another event up here, so it will be displayed down here. You can see how many programs and everything here. You can see a map of conference here. So next up, I'm gonna integrate this with a Chatfuel bot, so stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to implement this with a Chatfuel bot. It's a very simple method we're gonna use. If you go to event.botpants.com/docs, you are gonna see the documentation here, which is very simple here. What you are going to do is just copy here. If we want to get the program overview of this event, which is gonna be these 2 programs here, we just copy this link and we just put our user ID and event ID in here instead. And we can find our user ID up here. We can find the event ID right here. So let's go ahead and try. I have a sample bot here. We add the JSON API plugin. I'm not sure why it's not adding it. Okay, there it is. Alright, let's go ahead and paste this link. Put our event ID 2 and user ID 2. And you can see here, by the way, it's day 1. If you want to retrieve the programs from day 2, you simply just write 2 instead, as written here. Day 1, 2. Yeah, day 1, 2 is if you have more than 10 programs in day 1, then you're gonna get another gallery. Okay, let's just go ahead and try this and see if we're gonna get anything. Let me try again, because it worked just before with the exact same link. What have I not seen here? Oh, wait. Here. There you go. Okay, now it should work. Boom, there you go. Okay. And of course, these buttons here can be customized to go to any block that you wish. So let's go ahead and try another one here. Let's get the details of this second program here. The way we can do that is just to change the last part here to program. Instead of day 1, we say program 2, because as you remember, we selected number 2 in the sortings. You can see here even sortings 2. All right. And here we get the details about this program: what room, what date, what time, what speaker, and so on. And let's go ahead and try another one. Speaker details. The way we do that is just to write, instead of program here, we say speaker 2, because that's what we chose for the second speaker, right? That was Elvis Presley. There we go, Elvis Presley, day and time, what room he is talking, and what he is going to talk about. So let's just try one more here. Let's get the map of this conference here. What we do is just we replace this with map, and then we should get the picture of the map, which is not really a map in this short tutorial, but anyway, here it is. All right, so this was a short introduction to a simple client dashboard. If you want to give your clients more control, if you want them to be able to update their events or create new events or whatever, they can use something like this. So anyway, have a nice day and enjoy.